Now, as we discussed, here comes the exciting offer for the viewers of TheSkillWill.com special coupon for the viewer of this video. It's pouring deals, discounts, and Black Friday offers on the internet for the web developers. Right from the hosting, which is offering from 60-70 to up to 80% discounts by Hostinger-like companies, you can buy the things and save a lot of money. Even for the theme forest or the Envato market, they have a Cyber Week sale, Black Friday offers going on their website. So if you check the offers on the Envato market, you can buy premium themes like Avada, B themes, the flat sum theme almost at 50% discount. Also, there is a Black Friday sale where a lot of extra items have been added for the WordPress themes and web templates, which you can check out. So here it is mentioned there are 1036 website templates starting from $4, which are bestseller and beautiful website templates, which you can easily get in this Black Friday sale. So there are hundreds of such templates which you can buy during this Black Friday sale. But especially for my viewers, I'm introducing you to the tools.theskillwill.com, wherein you can get a lot of deals and discounts on the products which are required to build your website. There are exciting product combos which I have introduced for a bare minimum price, and in the end I will disclose to you a special coupon for the viewer of this video. So keep watching this video and I will give you a special coupon which will give an additional discount on this price also. So if you would like to check the details about the Mega Starter Pack, you can click on the button below and it will take you to the product description. So this product includes 11 themes and plugins, 15 plus Elementor add-ons, 950 Elementor templates, and there are 28 plus theme files from Theme Forest. If you would like to check more details, you can check it from the View Details section, and this will take you to a PDF which will give you the complete details about the product it has. The second pack that we will see is the Mega Developers Pack. This has been introduced considering the complete developers need, and you can check the details from the button below. So it will take you to the product description, and this includes 18 plus themes and plugins, 15 Elementor add-ons, 950 Elementor templates, and 29 free files from Theme Forest. So again, for this product, if you would like to know more, you can check on the View Details and you will get a complete detail about the inclusions for this product. So apart from this, there are a lot of exciting things you can check out on this portal. So if you are a newbie or a developer, you must check out the Developers Pack or the Mega Starter Pack as per your requirement. Now, as we discussed, here comes the exciting offer for the viewers of TheSkillWill.com. you will get an additional 15% discount on the Mega Starter Pack and the Mega Developer Pack by using a code showing on your screen. So you can get an additional 15% discount on the Mega Developers Pack and the Mega Starter Pack by using the code displayed on your screen. The offer is valid from today till the 31st of December, and hope you people will take advantage of this great offer. So thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notifications for all such exciting videos. Thank you so much and take care.